So here I am minding my own business, getting ready for some auditions. It was the first big snowstorm in NYC, and let me just say, I was still looking fabulous, okay? Going to my auditions looking like I'm on a runway, okay? Period. This week, I'm auditioning for RC Productions, Royal Caribbean. I've auditioned for them before. So today, I'm gonna try How Many Years by Yebba. If you don't know who Yebba is, you really out the music game. When I walked into the audition room, they had 6 casting people in there. I'm like, what the, what am I, giving a concert? But goddamn, but let me slay it anyway. Here I go. The piano player did a really awesome job playing. It has 2 key signature changes, and then it also has tempo changes. And I think we did a good job for both singing first time with each other. After the audition was done, they did ask me about the song, and that felt very good to have some communication with them. Unfortunately, they did not give me a call back. They were giving callbacks on the spot, and they was like, it's not for you today. But I was very happy because they spoke with me after, and they were considerate, and they told me that I did a good job, and they told me that I sang the song beautifully. So I couldn't ask for anything more than that. I don't get too discouraged when I don't get a call back. I know that I went in there and I gave 100%. I know that I practiced and I gave that song what I could give it, and I gave my all, and that's all I can do. Okay, y'all, everyone have a great weekend. I know I'm about to have one. Ciao, bye, love you. Ciao, bye. Bye.